So Brian, tell us a little bit about what we're looking at here.
Sure. So this showcase is entitled Migrating the Monolith, and it's an interactive journey that takes you through the thought process of deconstructing a monolithic application like Java or .NET into a collection of microservices that you run in the cloud.
What are kind of the advantages of doing something like that?
Yeah, some of the big advantages, obviously, one would be agility. So rather than having a single stack architecture, now you've broken this into microservices so you could have smaller development teams working on each piece and they can update independently of one another. So that's one thing. Another thing would be in running in the cloud, you are infinitely scalable. So you can scale up or scale down and you can automate that. And there's a lot of cost savings because of the scale economies.
Sure. Are there any challenges that people come up with when they look at migrating from a monolith to microservices?
Yeah, there are different ways to think about migrating. One of them would be lift and shift. And so recently we acquired the company Velastrada, which makes VM to VM migration really easy with the tools that they've developed. Another way would be application modernization or re-architecture, and that's where you're breaking down something, and that can be difficult. We have our professional service offerings called Cloud Sprints to help migrate, how you think through domain-driven design in order to break down a monolith, and then having the right skill set to develop for those applications that are going to be microservices.
Gotcha. So people who are here at the conference can come play around with the application, but where do people go if they want to learn more?
So we've got some great white papers. So if you go to cloud.google.com/white papers, there's a series of 4 white papers. They cover everything from lift and shift to migrating the monolith to containerization of an application.
Perfect. Well, thanks so much, Brian.
Yeah, my pleasure.